Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, Singapore High Commissioner to India Simon Wong has said that Capitaland, one of Asia's largest diversified real estate groups, plans to more than double its funds under management in India to more than 90,280 crores by 2028. The announcement comes right ahead of the PM's visit to the country. Arzu Seth is joining us for more details on this story. Arzu, this is a significant announcement coming in ahead of Prime Minister Modi's arrival in Singapore.
Well, yes, so there, a tweet that has come from Wong, the High Commissioner of Singapore to India, highlights a significant investment plan by the Capitaland, a major real estate group in Asia. And also Capitaland plans to increase the amount of money it manages in India to more than, which is over the 90,280 crores by the year 2028. And this means that the Capitaland is looking to subsequently, grow its investment in the Indian real estate market, possibly by developing new projects, acquiring properties or expanding its existing operations in the country. The move indicates strong confidence in the Indian market that suggests that the Capitaland sees significant potential for growth and return in India over the next few days. And also Prime Minister has also, held a lot of meetings there and talked about a lot of things. And ahead of the, visit, there will be a lot of meetings that will be happening, and doubling their funds under the management signals a major commitment and could lead to more job creation, infrastructure development and all over economic growth in the areas which Capitaland invests, and this could also strengthen the economic ties between Singapore and India given the scale of the planned investment. Yes, Uday.
Sharad Kohli, economist, also joins us now on the broadcast. Sharad, what is likely to be the implications of this announcement and this move by Capitaland?
Good morning, good afternoon rather, Uday. I think it's going to be a landmark as far as India-Singapore relations are concerned, because 90,000 crores being pumped in from Singapore into India. We know Singapore is a city-state and is a very, very prominent trade center. It's they call it as the Dubai of the East. It's what Dubai does to the West, between West Asia, Europe and Asia, is what Singapore does to the Far East and the Southeast. So I think India-Singapore relations have already been doing very well in the past. I think Prime Minister's visit and the recent announcement is going to be landmark for the country, and the amount may not look huge from the Indian perspective, the kind of numbers we are generating, but I think it will strengthen the relationship, and more importantly, it will give a boost to the FDI. We must also not forget, Uday, that a lot of FPIs, which is the foreign portfolio investors, they come via Singapore. A lot of them have their base in Singapore. A lot of investments which come into the stock markets in India also come from Singapore. So with this kind of investment being pumped into country, I think it is going to give a tremendous boost to India-Singapore relations. And of course, it will help in pushing the Indian growth story further while strengthening the Singapore relations with India.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.